you're seeing folks actually take advantage of the COVID crisis. They're using phishing, which is basically malicious emails to get you to do something that you wouldn't normally do.
Cybersecurity is so big, so large. Yeah. Like you can make it into something you love.
Communication is 100% key when it comes to cybersecurity, whether you're on the threat intel side or you're leading a cybersecurity program. Being able to communicate what you do and your value is super important.
And I wanted to circle back to your podcast because I'm a podcaster myself. I'm a radio guy, and it's such an amazing medium. And I think you're using it so well.
I feel like that's parts of a pyramid, right? At the bottom, you have that passion and that agility, but then of course you have to have those technical components or that trade craft to do whatever it is you're going to do in cybersecurity. So you can't have one without the other.
I do believe that cybersecurity and technology and jobs and life in the age of COVID is difficult. But I think things like this can really help us, cope with it.